Let us see this module in which we'll understand the eye defect, that is myopia. Now looking at eye defects, firstly, when we understand eye defect, let us first understand what is a normal eye. Now here we have this schematic diagram of a normal eye. Now what happens in a normal eye? The ray of light enters, hits the eye lens, converges, and after converging goes and falls on the retina. So what is a normal eye? Normal eye is an eye in which the image is formed on the retina. So if normal eye is an eye in which the image is formed on the retina, then let us understand what is a defective eye, and for that let us understand the first defect, that is myopia or nearsightedness. Now what happens in nearsightedness? The nearby objects are clear, but the faraway objects are unclear. So when this person looks at a nearby object, that will be clear, but far away is unclear. Let's see one more example. The nearby object you can see is clear, but the far away is unclear. The boy nearby is clear, but the man far away is unclear. So this is the vision of a myopic person. Now what exactly happens? Now we know that in a normal eye, when light enters, it hits the eye lens, converges and falls on the retina. But a person who is suffering from myopia, what exactly happens in his eyes is that in this particular eye, firstly, the eyeball is lengthened. That is, the distance between the eye lens and the retina increases. Or in other terms, you can say, in this case, what exactly happens is the lens is curved. That is, converging power of lens becomes high. Now because of this, what happens? When rays of light enter, they hit the eye lens, and after hitting the eye lens, instead of converging on retina, they converge in front of retina. And this is the defect. So students, let us see how the correction of this particular defect is done. For the correction of this defect, of course, the person has to wear a specs. And let us understand which specs this person wears. Now, for the correction of this particular defect, this person will be given a concave lens. Now, let us see why concave. Now, with the help of concave lens of suitable focal length, what exactly happens? When rays of light enter, they will hit the concave lens. After hitting the concave lens, the rays will diverge. And after diverging, they hit the convex lens that is inside our eyes, and they converge, and the light goes and falls on the retina, and the defect is corrected. So in this way, by using a diverging lens, the defect, that is myopia or nearsightedness, can be corrected. Now as it is a concave lens, the power of concave lens is negative. Let us look at this picture. This is the vision when the person wears a specs. So you can see the faraway objects, that is the leaves, when they come in the range of the specs, become clear, and that is how the defect, that is myopia, is corrected. So this was myopia and correction of the defect myopia. Thank you.